Hello Lolita. Now this is going to be a quick video walkthrough of one idea for your office design. Okay, for this design I am using a lot of the elements that you already had, like the pretty blue chair and the painting. And I noticed in the pictures that you had a black 8-cube shelving unit. I decided to also add a 6-cube shelving unit on this side of the wall, in addition to your 8-cube unit, which will be on the other side of the wall. Here you can add some filing boxes. Here you can store your work files or whatever items you might want to keep for your office. On top there are some silver pieces to go with your silver chalice, and above that is the painting that you already have. And as we go through this walkthrough, all the little items that you see on the tables, hanging on the walls, the paintings, the lamps, I do have a page on my site where I collected all of these, so you can find links to where you can purchase them. This room is decorated with silver, white, and blue with touches of gold. So I added more paintings that will match the decor. This is a white and gold desk that I thought might fit your style. But if you don't like it, I have a few other options on the page that I will leave a link to. Behind the desk are two really nice furniture pieces that are actually filing cabinets. On top of the cabinets I have your lamp that you already purchased, and that little plant represents the plant that you have already. And the desk chair is a white leather and chrome. Along with the colorful abstract paintings, I hung a few simple black and white prints. It's not shown here, but these will each be different images of plants. I also added a large artificial plant that I thought might warm up the room. And on this wall is your existing 8-cube storage unit. You can store more files, books, and magazines, and your printer could go on top. Above this unit I placed a task board. It's cork on one side and dry eraser on the other side. I thought you could use it to keep track of your meetings and whatever tasks you have for the week, and insert your calendar or anything else you might need to help keep you organized. On this wall I saw that you had a closet with no door on it, and I thought it'd be a great place to extend those curtains that we have on the other side. By the way, those curtains are a metallic faux silk curtain, and I have a link to that on the site also. You could just put a regular white shelf inside here and store more files or books and materials for your office. And then you can always close the curtains and hide it and have the office look nice and neat and stylish. Between the closet and the door I placed a large basket vase where you can put some dried flowers. I like the blue and the orange and the fall leaves to complement the blue in the chair. Above that is a large gold clock, so you can keep track of time from your desk, but you could also get that in silver if you want. The 8 by 10 foot rug I think ties everything together. It has all the colors, the blues, the grays, the golds in it. You can't see it here, but if you look at the rug on my page you'll see exactly how it looks. For this room I played around with a couple of different wall colors. This is a light gray, but next I'll show you the same walkthrough with 2 different wall colors to choose from if you want to get a little more bold. This is the same room in a darker color, a blue gray. It's called iron gray. And this is in a deep blue, almost the same color as your chairs. Now this may be a little dramatic for you, but I love the deep, rich colors. I think it makes all the furniture and everything pop, and it gives it a really bold and beautiful look. So let me know what you think. If you need any explanations of anything else, any help with the links, I will be sending you still frames of all of these so you could take a closer look. And I'll try to do a more detailed rendering of each one.